So hello guys, good morning. This is Cookgen Austin FX. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to show you my top-down analysis strategy. So as usual, today is a Sunday. Today is 28th of August. So May, as usual, I begin with a higher time frame. So like the reason why I use this line charts is like with all the noise on charts. So this week I'm going to trade gold. I'm going to first look on gold for this whole month. Let's see. So if you can look on the weekly, so the weekly is showing us like from the historical data, guys. As you can see, historical data is showing us that historical data is showing us. If you look at the historical data, here we see that gold. If you look at historical data, here we see that here we're in a push phase. It was a push phase and at the same time we had, so we have three types of trend. So this one was another trend. So as you can see guys, this one here we went to downtrend, downtrend guys, and this one was a consolidation. This one here, as you can see, let me mark out this one. This was our area of consolidation. As you can see, price broke above the neckline and there was a pullback. So this was a good opportunity for us to enter our long positions. So as you can see, when price broke, it found this resistance. It found this resistance. This was the highest resistance. Price broke, but it faked up. It went down again, came back in this zone. So this is a consolidation. So this is, so as I told you that guys, this is another trend. We went to a downtrend here. We went to a consolidation stage. So then gold was now playing around these areas. So until it broke these points. As you can see when I mark. So consider broke. So guys, we are now here at this stage. Gold is in a consolidation now. Again, guys, let me first remove all these ones. I want to omit all this error. So guys, as you can see, uh I think the month of August is going to be good news. So if you look at up here we're in a consolidation. Gold is in a consolidation stage, as you can see. So price broke above and faked out. So it was, I think it was a fake. Price broke above, faked out. So these 2 points. So below 2411.8, that's still consolidation. And uh below two two nine two nine 2298.9, that will be further downside. So as we hope, in if gold prices break above, that will be clear trend. Yeah, we're still in consolidation. Price is still playing around these areas. So this one still consolidation. So if I go to my daily time frame, this is my top analysis. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. So uh if I look at the daily, what's the day selling me? So these are my major points. Look guys, these ones, these are my major points. So price touched there 3 times, it was being tested. These were my major points. So if you look up, what am I seeing up? So gold was forming a series of high highs. If you look up, I think we may have something looking like this. We may have support looking like this. So this is my highest point, followed by this is highest resistance. So I'm marking out all the major points. Lastly, I have this. Guys, as you can see now, price is playing around this area. So there will be two options. Either price for, let me change this color. This color. Now here we have the maybe two options. Price should come on. Price should come and hit this. This resistance was touched. 1, 2. This is a strong resistance. So below two, price being below areas of 2389.26, let's sell. Above 2389.26, below that shall be looking for more sales. Above that shall be looking for buy up to 2422, and above that so that is it. If you look at my 4 time frame,
So if you look at this one, so this is my 4 hour time frame, guys. This is my 4 hour time frame. So in 4 hour, as you can see, this is my point, this is my resistance. Guys. So what am I expecting to see? So on Monday, that is true. So guys, I first mark out all of my major positions. As you can see, mark out my positions. So at this point, I'm just writing for now. So I can put back now my candle. Put back my candles. There's no need to worry now, guys. So I've omitted all of the noise. Noise is not being omitted. So these are my major points. In case I see price coming back in these major points, and there will be a reaction to these major points.